Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. Now for us to get this done, what we are going to do is basically create our own Calendly and Google Calendar account using Google. And yep, from this point forward, we're just going to head over to the integrations and apps right here. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to Google Calendar. So after seeing the Google Calendar, what we're going to do here is basically sync this one. I'm just going to click the connect button right here. And then you're going to choose your Google account. So we're just going to hit continue and then click continue once again. All right, so we have successfully connected it. We're going to head back home and then we're going to test this out. So I have this one-on-one meeting that I have created. If you don't know how to do that, just go ahead and click this one right here and then follow the prompt in order for you to be able to create this one. Again, I'm going to head back home and we're going to go ahead and copy this one. I'm going to go ahead and open an incognito and we're going to be testing this out here. All right, say for example, this one, I'm going to choose to book it on the 28th. Let's say 10 a.m. I'm going to tap next and then let's go ahead and enter the name. So I'm going to go ahead and right here, say for example, Dean Potter, deanpotter@gmail.com. And then from this point forward, you can just go ahead and click schedule event. So there you go. It has been scheduled. Now, if we are going to head back here, you can see that now we have a scheduled event in here. So yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. Thanks for watching and have a good day.